what's going on today?
Hi, Dr. Lizzy. I'm not feeling good today. I have the sniffles.
Oh no, Elmy. I see you have lots of boogies. Let me check your temperature.
Elmy feels like he has a fever.
Beep. Oh, you do have a fever. First, let me get you a tissue.
Oh, thank you. Elmy's nose has been very stuffy.
Have you recently been around anyone who was sick?
It all started the other day. Ooh, me so hungry. I don't think I feel very good. Oh no, Cookie. What's the matter? Achoo! Oh no, Cookie. You have boogers all over your face. You should go see Mrs. Z and get some tissues. Oh yeah, right. I'm gonna go find a tissue. Excuse me. Good grief. I think I'm gonna need a tissue.
Okay, Elmy. I got a few things here to help take care of you. First, we're going to swab your nose and do a COVID test. Have you ever had one before? It's going to tickle.
Elmy never had a COVID test before.
Okay, we're going to put it up this nostril and swirl it around a bit. And then go over to this side and do the same thing, just like that. And we're all done. Next, I'm going to give you some medicine for your fever. And you're all done. Now just drink lots of water and warm broth and you'll feel better in no time.
Thank you, Dr. Lizzy. I feel better already.
And for being so good today, I brought you a pink lollipop. Here you go.
Ooh, a pink lollipop. I love it. Thank you.
Try to keep your face mask on so you don't spread all your germs.
Oh yeah, Dr. Lizzy. Thank you.
Soap, water, scrubby dub, washy hands, rinse, rinsey rinse. Hi, Rumble. What brings you in today?
My skin hurts. Yesterday I went to the beach and I laid out for a little bit. I might have fallen asleep in the sun and maybe have gotten a little bit of a sunburn. All right. I had a little bit of a day off, so I get to relax and rest on this beautiful sunny summer day. I'm just going to lay down here. All right. Roll over. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Dr. Lizzy, you have to help me. It hurts so bad. In fact, it's a little embarrassing to say, but I haven't been able to sit down all night. Oh, my poor little Fanny. Oh.
I'd love to help you with that, Rumble. First, we're going to put aloe on your burns. Little bit over here.
Ooh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Ooh.
And on this side.
Ooh, oh, it's so cold.
And a little bit on your nose. Boop. There you go. You're all done.
Oh, wow, Dr. Lizzy. That feels so much better already. It's so soothing on my skin.
Just to make sure you stay safe when you're in the sun next time, I got you this big bottle of sunscreen. Make sure you put this on every day.
Shades give me a nice, cool look.
And since you were so good today, I got you a blue lollipop.
Whoa, that's rad. I love blue lollipops. Oh, yeah.
How you doing, Bluesy? How can I help you today? I went through my daddy's tackle box and got a boo-boo. It really hurts.
Oh, I'm so excited to go fishing today. Oh, I can't find my car keys. Girls, have you seen my car keys? I swear they're right over here.
I'm going to look in Daddy's tackle box to see if there's any toys in there. Ew, what if there's yucky worms in there? He's not looking. I just want to look really quick, just one time. I just want to take a peek. Wow, look at everything so shiny. Look at all these little things in here. And there's fuzzy glittery things. Ow! Mommy! Mommy, I got something in my hand. Help me. Oh, yes, I see you got a fish hook in your hand. And I have something to take care of that for you. First, I'm going to use these tweezers to pull out the fish hook. Oh! It's out? That wasn't so bad. Now we're going to clean it with some solution to get rid of all the germs. No, don't touch it, don't touch it. Ow, ow. Just little dabs, we have to clean it. Now we're going to put on a Band-Aid. I brought you a pink one. Yay, a pink Band-Aid? I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. Now it's time for your tetanus shot. What? No, I'm scared of needles. I'm scared. I don't want it. Just a quick pinch, Bluey. Ouch. All done. Here you go, Bluey. Since you were so good today, I'm going to give you an orange lollipop. Wow, thank you. I love orange. I don't want to get hurt again, so I'll listen to my mommy and daddy. Thanks, Dr. Lizzy. You're welcome. Vampirina, what happened? Why do you have a sling on? Hi, Dr. Lizzy. I was flying around and I fell and I hurt my arm. Vampirina, my dear, it's dinner time. Hurry up before your sandwich runs away. I'm gonna do it this time, Posy. Just watch me. I'm gonna run and turn into a bat. 1, 2, 3. Watch me! Oh, I keep trying and it's just not working. Okay, I'm gonna clear my head and not think about it too hard, and let's see if it works, okay? Oh, thank you, Posy. I needed that advice. I don't know why I've been having so much trouble lately. Woo! I'm the unstoppable Vampirina. Watch me! I can fly! I love flying. I can do this all day long. Ah! Ow! Owie! Can you please help me? I want to be able to fly again. I can help. Before we do anything though, we're going to take an x-ray, okay? It'll just take a few minutes. Is it going to hurt? It's not going to hurt. It's just like taking a picture, except it's a picture of your bones. And when we're all done, we'll look at the picture together, okay? You did a good job, Vampirina. Let's take a look at your x-ray result. What does it show in the picture, Dr. Lizzy? Well, actually, you can see that you have 2 fractures here in the 2 bones in your forearm, your ulna and your radius. Right about there. Oh no, what does that mean? I'm scared. Don't worry, Vampirina. Broken bones are pretty common. It'll take some time to heal, but let's get started with taking care of it for you. First, we're going to put on this ice pack that'll help with any swelling while I get your cast ready. Woohoo! Here is some medicine to help so it doesn't hurt so much. Oh, thank you. It's feeling a little bit better now. Good, I'm glad to hear. We're gonna put the cast on now, okay? That wasn't so scary. Vampirina, you did such a good job today. I brought you this green lollipop. Ooh, I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Yummy. Thank you. Be careful next time flying around in your living room. I'll be the most carefulest bat ever. Thanks for watching Vovo Ray Craft and Play. See you next time. Bye.